Conference today we will see one example in class and object using Java. So we want to create a menu-driven application to maintain department details of an institution using class and array of objects given below. We want to create a class called department with 5 attributes: department ID, department name, HOD name, number of faculty, number of students. Use get run setter function to set a variable, and we want to perform 4 functions: add department details, display all department details, edit the HOD name for the given department name, search and display number of faculty and students per department. Question for answer for the question is here. Here are the 5 attributes: which department name, department ID, department name, HOD name, number of faculty, number of students. And it's a department. We created a class called department. In the department we will store 5: department ID, department name. Here I create a P of array. The array contains the 5 elements. So in main function I have 4 functions called add department details, display department details, edit details of the department, fourth one is search. If I give the choice, means it will switch of choices. First one is add department details. If I want to add department details, means I will get the data from the user. First department ID, next department name, HOD name, number of faculty, number of students. Then I give here I call the department function. In department function I give the values of department ID, department name, HOD name, number of faculty, number of students. This function here, the department function. So I store the values is in department ID. This function is used to store the value in dip underscore ID. It was in the public class variable. Next, case 2 is display department details. If I want to display, means for I equal to 0, I greater less than n, I plus plus, I display the values. Fourth one is, third one is third one is edit. First we want to get the department ID which we want to edit. Then we search the ID. If the ID is true, means in the department we will edit department name, HOD name, number of faculty, number of students. If we want to edit the new department name, but this dot department underscore name is equal to depth it will be changed. Copy it and paste it in. Same way we want to change the HOD name, means we will get the HOD name and use the change HOD function. Number of faculty, also get the data from the user and use the function called change of faculty. Then enter the new strength of student. Also we want to change. Same way we use this function to store this new student in the number of students, new staffs into number of faculty, new HOD is to HOD name, new department name is stored in underscore name. It's case 3. If you want to case 4 means it will search. If we search a value means we will search department ID, department name and HOD name. So we have 3 options. If we give case 1 means it will get the department ID from the user, then it will search the department ID. If the department ID is visible, is in the death underscore ID means it will display the department details. Then we want to the department name, we will search for department name means if it get the department name from the user, then search department name. If it's display means it will true means it display the div which contains the department name details. Case 3, enter the HOD name and get the information from the user. Then we will change the HOD name using search function. Here I use here private of boolean search of, it's for department name. If department name dot equal of yes department name, department underscore name is nothing but it was stored in class equal of yes department name for search department name, which user enters the value. If the both are equal means it returns true. Same way HOD name ID for department ID, we use this. So now I run this code. I give one first, add department details, department ID 1, department name Q, number of faculty 1, number of students also. Then I add to W 2. I want to display, it displays. Here it displays the enter the department ID is sorry what you want to, sorry I give 3, so I want to edit something. Enter the department ID I want, which I want to do. I edit HOD name as A, then I display. Here the HOD name of A is G, department ID 1 is A. Then I search, the HOD name is A means it returns the first one.